If your Ford F-150 rear slider has separated from your back glass, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Fix it cheap, fix it good, so that it'll last for a long time. Let's do it. If your slider is already disconnected from the back glass, you can just pull the track off the glass. Once you've done that, you'll see that there's 4 points on the track where there was some kind of adhesive tape from the factory that held the track to the back glass. Your first step is to take a razor blade. I didn't have a great scraper handy, so I just took one out of a knife, and take the old adhesive tape off of the slider. You'll also see that there's some kind of adhesive that is stuck to the glass. Now, I don't know if this was some kind of caulk or RTV, but it's a little bit harder than the sticky tape. It needs to come off too. I'm using Scotch Mount 30-pound double-sided tape. It's really inexpensive, and I'll put a link in the bio for you to go order it off of Amazon. I will confess, I made a mistake. I tried to put just 4 pieces of tape exactly where the old tape was and see if that would be enough to hold the window in place. Unfortunately, because I live in Florida, it is a hot and humid climate during the summer, and sometimes sticky things don't stick like they're supposed to. What I ended up doing is taking a strip of this tape and running it across the back of the track. So it's going to be really stuck up there, but now I don't have to worry about it coming off again. I wanted to be sure that it wasn't going to fall off again and that no water was going to get into my truck. A quick note about the top rail when you're putting it back. It's really important that you line it up and it's not crooked or too high or too low, because that can cause your slider not to open and close properly. Here's what the glass looks like with all of the old adhesive scraped off. As you can see, I've got my track back in place. Let's test the slider and make sure it works. And that's how you fix the slider on your Ford F-150. Make sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.